just always tired. Oh my goodness. And then I don't I don't want everything to do mobs. It's just like I'm lazy. So that's why I decide to so I need to I think the important is sugar, to check the sugar, because I what we call it that I searched the YouTube, guys. According to Doc Willie Ong, if you have a high sugar, uh, your your body is very, like, you feel like heavy, always thirsty. Your your tongue, and yeah, for sure the problem is sugar, I think, because I always drink coffee, and eating some sweet foods, and drink drink soft drinks, sweets drinks, and I'm lazy to go up. I'm lazy. I all the time always lazy. I don't know. And then I'm always thirsty. I'm always drinking water because I'm always thirsty. So I decide to go to doctor, uh to check the blood, my sugar. So that's why I don't have breakfast, no coffee within 8 hours. Within 8 hours, you don't allow to eat, to drink, everything, anything. Super. I feel so good right now when my sweets come out, when my sweets out. I feel so good, my sweets out, guys. Oh my goodness. Shout out kisa man ni ang tanaw. Parang kada napasiksi. Na sis Alma. Hindi, grabe. Look at my body. So I'm fat, right? So yeah. 20 minutes. Let's go. We have 5 minutes more. It's so hard. It's like for the stomach.
Choose a water that helps give the right hydration. Choose to be great with Summit Natural Drinking Water.
It's enough, guys.
For more.
So we need to end our live stream, guys, because our only 20 minutes only sweating. And look at me. I'm sweating a lot.